Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we completed a definition of function and we given the what is the difference between relation and function. Okay, generally a function from set A to B denoted by F maps A tends to B. How to read this one? F maps A tends to B. Now in these terms, already I said if any order pair is belongs to the function means if A comma B is belongs to F or X comma Y, no problem. Then we can write F of X is equal to Y. When any order pair is belongs to F means then F of X is equal to Y. Here Y is the image of X. Image of X, how to find? F of X. Substituting X value in F of X. Here X is the pre-image of Y. Y is the image of X. X is the pre-image of Y. Here we should know what is the domain. How you learn the domain, codomain, range for relation. Similarly, there is a domain and codomain and range for the function. Domain comma codomain and range of a function. Okay, let a function is defined. Let a function F is defined from set A to B, that is, we'll write F maps A tends to B. A tends to B means if you take where X is belongs to A, Y is belongs to B, then we can write F of X equal to Y as a function notation. Like this will go. Now first we need to learn what is a domain. Domain means if the function is defined from set A to set B, the whole set A is called a domain. In F maps A tends to B, set A is called domain. And one more thing, domain means function value gets finite. Finite value will come, not indefinite value or not defined value. So domain means what is a set of X values, always finite values will get. Next, codomain. In F maps A tends to B, set B is called codomain. In F maps A tends to B, A is called a domain. In that F maps A tends to B, set B is called a codomain. Then what is a range? Range means the set of images of elements of A, elements of set A present in set B. Set B having several type of elements. In that set of images of elements of set A present in set B. That's why range is always subset of codomain. So we are writing here range is always subset or equal to codomain. This point important, you should remember. Range is always subset or equal to codomain. Now by taking one example, you can understand easily. If the function is given like this, set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is given A, B, C, D. And the function is defined like this: 1 comma A, 2 comma C, 3 comma B, 4 comma D. 5 not having any image. Whatever condition we are taking should not left in A set. That's why we are writing 5 comma A. For two different elements having same image, no problem. But each element having only one image, that is a very, very important point for should remember for function. Here the meaning what F maps: 1 image is A, 2 image is C, 3 image is B, 4 image is D, 5 image is A. I'll take one more element here, that is E, lateral use. Now by mapping you can understand easily. F is maps from A to B. A set having elements what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B set having is A, B, C, D, E. 1 having image is A, 2 having image is C, 3 image is B, 4 image is D, 5 image is again A. Now from this we can get domain. What is the domain? The function F defined from A to B. The complete set A is called a domain. Domain means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any element is not having image mean that is not a function, that is a relation again. A set, we need to map each and every element with one image. Any element left here, that is not a function, that is a, we can left here, no problem. Okay. Codomain. Codomain means the complete set B. Set B what? A, B, C, D, E. Range. Range what? Set of images. Which are images of these elements? A is one image, B also image, C also image, D also image, but E is not a image of any element in set A. Here clearly observe, this is range elements, every element present in B are not codomain. That's why a range is subset of codomain, sometimes equal also possible. That's why I taken range is always subset or equal to codomain. Okay, let's discuss some examples. Example 1. Let capital N be the set of natural numbers and the relation capital R be defined on N such that capital R equal to set of order pair x comma y such that y equal to 2x, where y is belongs to N. X and y both. X comma y both are belongs to natural numbers. What is the domain? Comma codomain and range of R question mark. Is this relation a function? Given relation function or not, we need to find out. Okay. Now what relation is given? N is a set of natural numbers, x and y both are natural numbers only. That's why here R is clearly defined on natural numbers. Defined on natural numbers. Natural numbers, what? X and Y both are natural numbers only. X natural number means from 1 to up to and so on. Now what relation we will get here? See once. X value 1, substitute here, 2 ones are. Next, X value 2 will get 4. X value 3 will get 6. If you take 4, how much? 8. If you take 5, 10. And so on we will get. Up to infinity. You see in first one, first values all are what? Continuously it is a natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. That's why 1, 2, 3 up so on infinity means natural numbers. That's why domain is set of natural numbers. Codomain. Codomain also which one? Natural numbers, because defined on n means what? Defined from n to n only. Already I said relation can be defined on single set also. That means a to a, n to n. So here already I said in relation, the second set whatever that is completely is called a codomain. Coming to range. Range means set of images or set of second elements in a order pair. Set of second elements are what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Positive even numbers. This is a range. Clear? Now any is clearly it is a function or not? Check once. Because every element getting a image. Clear? No element left. 1 if you take 2 image, 2, 4 image, 3, 6 image, for 4, 8, 5, 10 image, 6 take 12 image, like that. So every element is mapped with only one element. That's why every element of set n having only one image in codomain. That's why therefore given relation is a function. If any element left in the domain means it is not a function, and every element having a unique image, only one image is there. That's why it's clearly a relation is a function. Next, second one. Examine each of the following relations. Each of following relations given below and state in each case. State in each case. So understand clearly here. I'll give same model homework in exercise. Giving reasons. Giving reasons whether it is a function or not. Function or not. First question. Okay. Giving reasons. So first question, they given relation like this, set of order pair 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. One you will solve. Here each element having only one image only na, but 2 and 3 having same image, but that is not a matter. But each element must be having only one image, not two images. For example, they given 3, 2 like that. That is wrong, because one element should not having two images in function concept. That's why every element having one and only one image. That's why, therefore, R is a function. Second one, R equal to 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. Because 2 having how many images here? 2 images. But definition of function is what? The element having only one image. R is not a function because element 2 having 2 images, that is 2 and 4. Okay. Third one, R equal to set of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. You observe here, each element having only one image. That's why clearly every element having only one image. That's why this is satisfied function definition. Therefore, R is a function. Okay, next. Different types of functions. From this you'll get 5 marks question mark. Important. It's very easy to score this one. Okay, only which one I'll tell, only those are very important. Now, first we should learn what is a real function. Real function means the domain of a function is either real numbers or subset of R is called real function. So basic definitions where R is called a set of real numbers, not relation. For both symbol is same only, but yes, R is called R is set of real numbers. If that means what? Domain either R is there or subset of real numbers is there. Such type of functions we called as real functions. Next, real valued function. Real valued function means the range of a function is either real numbers or subset of R is called a real valued function. Next, coming to third one, polynomial function. Now polynomial function, how to define means a function f maps from R tends to R is It's clearly real and real valued function, okay? Said to be polynomial in x belongs to R, comma, f of x equal to is in the form of a0, a1x, a2x square plus a3x cube plus and so on an x power n, where this a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on an are real numbers. Here a0, whatever taking condition wise, you should understand. Now based on degree, whatever this nth order degree, for example, degree is 2, only up to this we will get 3 terms. That is a quadratic equation. Degree is 1, linear equation. Degree is 3, cubic equation, like 4th order, 5th order, like that we will get. From this only we are generating that all linear function, linear equation or quadratic equation like that. Clear? That's why this is called an polynomial function. Next. Rational function. What is meant by rational function? A function f maps R tends to R said to be rational y equal to f of x equal to is in the form of p of x by q of x. It's in the form of what? P of x by q of x, where q of x clearly not equal to 0. If it is 0 means it will become not defined. Rational where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions. That can be either any degree 1, linear expression 2, like that any expression you can take, but that function in the form of which one? P of x by q of x, already rational number, p by q form, where p and q are the integers. Here p of x by q of x, where p of x and q of x are the which functions? Polynomial function. Such type of function we called as a rational function. Okay, how many functions over? We done real valued, polynomial and rational. 4 is over finished. Coming to 5th one, this one important for 5 marks. Identity function. Now what is the actual definition? Identity means what? Whatever x we will take, y also will indicate same. Identity means it is not changing value again. Okay? Simple meaning of that. A function f maps R tends to R is said to be an identity function if y equal to f of x equal to the function is what? X, where x is belongs to real numbers. This is the identity function general form. This standard form of identity function. Y means, already I said y in terms of x. Then function of x means we'll write like this. It is equal to what here? X, where x is belongs to real numbers. Now for this 5 marks, for definition you will get 1 mark generally. For domain and range 1 mark total 1 mark, 3 for graph, 2 marks, total 5 marks score. Now we will have to draw graph for this. It's clearly a straight line. X-axis, Y-axis. This is origin. X 1 take, Y also what will get? 1. X if you take 0, 0 you will get. If you take 1, 1 you will get. 2, 2 you will get. Minus 1, minus 1 you will get. That's why this is a straight line. Clear? 0 taking 0 will come. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Infinity, infinity will come. Negative side, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3 will come. Because to draw a line, we need the point to, we need to plot. So we are not required 1, 1, 2 if you take 2 will come, 3. It forms a which one? Straight line. This is what f of x equal to x. Here we need to write domain. Domain already what I said, if f is different from a to b, this is called a domain. Real numbers. Range also what you got? Set of images. X value 1, y also 1. X value 2, y also 2. X value 3, y also 3. X value 100, y also 100. X value infinity, that also infinity. X value minus 1, y also minus 1. X value minus 2, y also minus 2. And so on up to minus infinity. That's why x whatever taking, images also coming from where to where? From minus infinity to plus infinity. That's why a range also real numbers. For identity function, domain, range, codomain all are same. Here codomain no need to write, just we need to write domain and range. 1 mark for definition, 1 mark for domain, 1 mark for range and 2 marks for this graph. 5 marks you can score easily. Next, it's also important, constant function. Same constant function, a function f maps r tends to r said to be a constant function if y equal to f of x equal to some constant KRC, no problem. That means whatever x you take, y value k only, fixed, image fixed. Any x value take, all real numbers, image is constant, no changes. Where x is belongs to real numbers. Here, come into the graph. Already I said range means set of images. Here image is y is fixed, k constant, okay? Where k is constant. We need to draw a graph. Constant means y can be either positive or negative, no problem. If you take a positive, no issue. I will take this is a k value, here it is there. Now y equal to k, it is parallel to which axis? X axis. Because reason is very clear. 0, k only will come. If you take 1, k only. 2, k only. 3, k only. 4, k only. Negative side also. That's why the combination of all points, this is a line will generate. This is which one? Y equal to f of x equal to k. Clear? I am not taking again. K is what? Y is equal to k means the line which is parallel to which axis? X axis. Now, domain we need to write. Domain what? Real numbers. Range. Just a single element. Y, x value whatever take, y is fixed because we can't replace in the place of k because function not in terms of x, just a constant. That's why image is only just a single element. So its domain is real numbers, range is a only single tone set. That is a k is a range. Next, 7th one. This is also very important for 5 marks. Modulus function. have another name, absolute function. Absolute means it gives exactly either 0 or positive values. That is the meaning of this absolute. Never get negative values. Absolute values mean generally not negative, either 0 or remaining exactly positive values. Okay, coming to modulus function, how to define a function f maps r tends to r said to be a modulus function, said to be a modulus function, comma, if f of x equal to or y is equal to f of x equal to mod x. How to read this one? Modulus of x. But this modulus of x gives two set of values based on if you take negative x value and positive x value. But it should be gives absolute value means 0 we need to get 0, for minus 1 we need to get plus 1. That is the meaning of absolute. Negative value also give input x value, y should be positive. That is the nature of modulus function. If x is less than 0 means which numbers? Negative numbers. So when negative numbers we need to get positive. So if you take minus x, minus of minus becomes plus. Actually, this is the nature. Left side of 0, negative less than 0, mod x becomes minus x. And for x greater than or equal to 0, for 0 and positive values, mod x is x only. This is the nature of modulus function. Now coming to graph. This is origin. For example, 1 if you take, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Only for understanding purpose. X 0, 0 at which condition? Here. 0 means 0 only, y also. X 1 if you take, 1 also which condition? X is greater than 0 only, positive. So x 1 means what is the function is there? X. That is also 1. X 2 take, you will get 2. X 3, you will get 3. Like this. This is also straight line. This is which one? F of x equal to x. Negative side, minus 1 if you take minus 1. Minus 2 if you take minus 2. Minus 3 if you take minus 3. But this is which one? F of x equal to minus x. Reason? For less than 0 negative values, what is the function? Minus x. Take minus 1 x value. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. Take minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus 2. Minus 3, minus of minus plus 3. So you will get only non-negative values, non-negative real numbers. If you take 0.01, 0.01 will get here. Positive. Minus 0.5, minus of minus becomes plus. So 0 means 0 will come. If you give input is negative also, output coming either 0 or positive. Okay. This is a graph. Now domain we need to write. Domain is what clearly? Set of real numbers. Range. I am not getting y value negative. I am getting always positive. Don't confuse here, minus x is there. Giving x is a negative. Negative of negative is positive. At 0 it is 0. That's why we are getting non-negative real numbers. That we can write like this. Closed interval 0 to up to infinity. Real numbers from where to where? Minus infinity to infinity. This is 0. 0 we are getting, but negative values we are not getting y value. We are getting all 0 from all positive. That's why this is closed interval 0 up to open interval infinity. Otherwise you can write statement like this. Non-negative real numbers. Decimals also will come. I have not taken. Non-negative real numbers. That's all. Next. 8th one. It's also important for 5 marks. Signum function. Not Singham. Okay, na? Something like Singham function. That is a signum function only. Now to define this one. A function f maps R tends to R is said to be a signum function if y equal to f of x equal to, here what is this function nature? If x is negative, image is -1. Actual form I will write exactly what means. The function either in the form of mod x by x or x by mod x. Mod x nature is what? For less than 0, mod x becomes -x. For greater than or equal to 0, mod x becomes x. Here the nature of that one, that we are writing like this. The f of x equal to -1 if x is less than 0. If x is equal to 0, we will get 0. For x greater than 0, for greater than 0, mod x becomes x only, na x cancel, you will get 1. That means for all negative values, image is only -1. For 0, image is 0. X greater than 0 means which numbers? For all positive real numbers, what is a one and only image? That is 1. Build a graph, understand easily. Zero. Exactly at 0, image is 0. That's why I am taking closed circle. I had explained interval concept in sets concept. Okay. 1 -1. X is less than 0. What is the value? -1. F of x nothing but y only. Okay, na? For all less than 0, y value is -1 fixed. Less than 0 means which side? Left side. This side x is greater than 0. But I am not taking x equal to 0 here. That's why open circle I am taking. For less than 0 values, it is -1. This is what? Y equal to f of x equal to -1. Directly also y is equal to -1 I can take. Why I am taking open circle clear? X is strictly less than 0. But on this line, y axis, x is 0. But in this condition, x is not 0. X is less than 0. Okay. Next. X is greater than 0, 0 is over. At 0 it is 0, clearly close the circle. Where exactly is there. X greater than 0, which side? Right side. For all greater than 0, what is the f of x value? 1. Here also open circle, right side. This is y equal to 1. Coming to domain. You can write this also, but this is the actual nature of this signum function. This is a simplified form you can take. Domain is real numbers, range, set of images. For all negative values, image is -1. For 0 is 0 image. For all positive values, 1 is the image. That's why only 3 elements are the images. -1, 0, 1. Next, last one. This is also very, very important for 5 marks. Greatest integer function. In this name only there, what is the nature of this function? Which gives always a integer. Okay. A function F maps R tends to R is said to be a greatest integer function if f of x equal to step x. How to read this one? Step of x, where x is belongs to R, which gives preceding integer and where step x is always less than or equal to x. Step x is always which one? Less than or equal to x value. Now the nature what you have to understand here, step x function which gives always which one? Preceding integer. Preceding means previous, before, first value, whatever. Now example I will give. That means what? (0.5) take. 0.5 is lies between from where to where? 0 to 1. 0.5 here this is. For 0.5 which is the preceding integer? 0. Clear? Next. For example, I am taking 1.5. For 1.5 what is the preceding integer? 1. Next if we take 2.5, 2, and coming to negative side, minus 0.2. Minus 0.2 will get in between minus 1 to 0. Here we will get minus 0.2. What is the preceding integer? Minus 1. Clear? This gives clearly minus 1.2. What is the preceding integer? Minus 2. Like that you can take minus 3.5. What is the preceding integer? Minus 4. Left side value you have to take. Where this value we are taking, for that left integer we need to take, not right integer. Coming to the graph. Zero, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Your value is required. See clearly from 0 to up to before 1. From 1 up before 2. Before 2 means from 0 to 0.999 it is 0 only, preceding integer. From 1 to up to 1.999 it is 1, gives preceding integer. So from here closed circle, open circle, visible, this is the open circle you have to take here. Next from 1 to 2, from 1 it is a closed one, because from 1 to 2 gives 1 only y value, up to 2, 2 not touching. Next from 2 to 3, what is the integer you will get? 2. It's not touching 3 ma, okay, up to 2.999. 2.999 step value 2. 3 onwards up to 3.999 it is a 3. Coming to negative side, from minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 is included, but not touching this value. Okay, na? Give some space. Next from minus 2 to minus 1. Here minus 2 is included, because in between minus 2 to minus 1 we will get minus 2. Minus 3 to minus 2, its preceding integer is minus 3. Close circle, left side. Here also see closure circle left side. So right side, sorry for that. Right side we are taking. Left side is closure circle and extending right side, right side, right side, right side. Like this, you'll go step by step. That's why this is also called as step function. Clear? How did this one? Step of x. Now, domain. Domain, I am taking all real numbers. So, set of real numbers, range. You observe here, I am taking decimals also. I am getting which numbers finally? Integers. 0 is there, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4. That's why I am getting only which one? Set of integers. Or you can write Z symbol. Clear? Input you give any real number, output step of x value we are getting only integers. This is called, that's why greatest integer function. It gives always a preceding integer. This is a graph. Graph for 2 marks, definition 1 mark, domain 1 mark, range 1 mark. Next, notice the algebra of functions. That means how to add. This is also deleted portion, understanding purpose. Here a function, I am taking 2 functions here. A function f maps some extends to R, G maps extends to R. Be real valued functions. 2 functions I am taking. Here first, how to add 2 functions. Adding, addition, f plus g of x. We can add like this, f of x plus g of x, where this small x is belongs to capital X. How to subtract 2 functions, f of x minus g of x. How to multiply 2 functions, f into g of x, f of x into g of x. X is belongs to capital X. F plus g also from x to r only will come, because f is x to r, g also x to r, means f plus g also different from x to r only. Okay. 4th one, how to divide these two. F by g of x, f of x by g of x, where x is belongs to capital X and g of x compulsory not equal to 0. And for example, any constant is there, k some alpha into f of x. Alpha is a constant common into f of x. Is a scalar I can take. Scalar means non-zero scalar, non-zero real number. Clear? So alpha into f of x equal to, right, alpha into f of x. So the 5 is enough. 5 are the, we have operations. These 5 operations we are following: adding, subtraction, product of 2 functions, quotient. Quotient means dividing, division of 2 functions, and the multiplication of scalar with a function. Alpha is a scalar, so alpha into f of x is alpha into f of x we can write. That means, for example, 2 into f of x we can write like this, 2 into f of x directly. 2 we can take common, f of x we can write easily. Here example 1, draw the graph of the function f maps r tends to r, defined by f of x equal to x cube and x is belongs to R. What is the function is given? F of x equal to x cube. X is a real number. To draw graph, I will take few values. x1, f of x is nothing but y also. Y is equal to f of x ma. Y equal to what? 1 cube, 1 will get. That means 1 point is 1 comma 1. X I will take 2 next. 2 cube, that is 8. 2 comma 8. Next x I will take 3. Y is 3 cube, that is 27. Another point is 3 comma 27. Next I will take 0. Y also 0. Next x I will take minus 1. Y is minus 1 whole cube, that is minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 1. X I will take minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube, that is minus 8. Negative whole power odd number is negative. X equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3 whole cube, that is minus 27. Based on these points, we can draw the graph. I will take approximately value 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 I will take somewhere 8 and here 27. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here also minus 1, minus 8, somewhere I will take minus 27. First 0 if we take 0 we got 0 comma 0. 1 comma 1 next point. 2 comma 8. 3 comma 27. Next minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2 means 8. Minus 3 means 27. This is a graph of y is equal to f of x equal to x cube graph. Today we given what is the definition of domain, range, codomain, and we discuss some important types of functions that all practice 2 times in rough notes and complete the classwork today only. That what I given 5: identity, constant, modulus, signum and greatest integer function. Out of that 5 questions, 1 question guarantee for final exam also is very important. Complete classwork and practice that 5 functions.